Another area of focus at previous schools has been on social emotional learning. So I found a website called Harmony, and if you look at the top, there's a button that says Games. If you go to the game page and scroll down, you can see that this is available for just the web, also can be downloaded on an app. This provides things such as connection cards to help spark discussions. And if you keep scrolling, there's different units focusing on different social emotional learning concepts. So, for example, Unit 2 is on valuing each other. And so I could pick a game like Battle the Bully Bot. And this would probably be used after a whole group lesson. So first we would do a lesson, a social emotional learning lesson, most likely on how to treat one another, how to value one another. And then I would have the kids break into small groups. And one of the rotations or centers that the kids are working on could be playing these games to kind of practice and just enforce what's already been taught. So we can play the game, one player. You can select your token. I'll do this one. And then it's going to give you a scenario. Like on the way to lunch, Benjamin pushes Tommy into the girls' bathroom, and an earshot of several kids remarks, "Need to use the girls' room, Tommy?" Benjamin has been taunting Tommy a lot recently, maybe because Tommy hangs out with the girls in the class more often than the boys. So this is giving a real life scenario, and maybe a real life scenario of bullying in the classroom that kids might experience. So then it's going to give you a choice of some action cards. So I could select this one, and then it's going to give me an action. Blake laughs and insults Tommy too. And then you have to decide, was this action positive or negative? So I would say this is a negative. When you get it correct, you're able to spin the spinner, and then you can move forward in the game board. And then you can continue just playing these games. And I think this would just be a fun and engaging way to reinforce the whole group concept that's already been taught in the classroom. And this would fulfill the ISTE standards 3.1C and 3.3D.